Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, all my teachers and my dear friends, a very glorious morning to all. Firstly, I would love to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And also, I would like to thank the management of our jamia for giving me this golden opportunity. It's my pleasure to deliver the speech on this special day. So my dear friends, as you know that today is the most important day in our Indian history. Today we are celebrating 76th Independence Day of our India. India got independence on 15th August 1947 before the British rule. This independence we got after the lots of sacrifices, struggle, hard work, dedication, consolation before the British rule. We got this freedom by fighting with British. My dear friends, on this occasion, I stand in front of you all to revive the sacrifice, revolution and promises that once we made for our country. Since 1947, we are celebrating Independence Day. So I don't think that one of you came and said, I don't know what is Independence Day, right? Before British comes India and British ruled over India, so many members sacrificed their life, so many members were killed, so many members have sacrificed their families, and finally we got independence. I know it is not as easy like I'm saying it, but still, why we have discussed this thing that is easily available on Google and Wikipedia? This is because to spread the importance of our freedom, to spread the importance of our freedom fighters, to spread the importance of our freedom for their sacrifices, their hard work, their struggle, their dedication towards the nation. We are doing nothing for India as we should as do for an Indian. Now we are like, oh, it's Independence Day. Let me take a selfie, let me take a picture, let me take a photograph with the national flag and upload it to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter and caption it, Happy Independence Day. I love India and that's it. It is Independence Day. Independence Day done. What is this? Is this the goal of the freedom? Did you have that much love regarding your nation? Ask yourself, what you have done for your nation? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, love your nation. So we should love our nation. We should respect our country. We should respect our freedom. We should respect our freedom fighters. We should respect our freedom fighters' sacrifices. And we should be proud to be an Indian. Today we are blessed to born in independent country. We have our own fundamental rights. We have our brave soldiers fighting against the other countries to protect our country. As you all know that no nation is perfect, but it needs to be perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty regarding our nation, because as you know that nation development growth for all of us. As you know that India is the country of unity in diversity. Since now we are celebrating Independence Day not as a Hindu, not as a Muslim, not as a Sikh, not as a Christian, but as an Indian. So my dear friends, let's celebrate Independence Day and give tribute to the great freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives for us. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.